Okay, en roule. Hey, good day everyone, Patrick here. I want to share with you the latest tool we created with Lightblade. Remember, of course, the KYO, which is now called the KYO Blade. Now we have the KYO Tube is the same kind of accessory to connect the tool with the Clarus light, and this one has the ability to put a tube inside and a tube outside at the same time. The inside is slightly an angle like this, and the outside is slightly like this, so it gives you the ability to really just like put your tube in there, and it's pretty solid. Here, I'll give you an example. So you can put the inside here and then the outside there, so you can have you can take it out fast. You can have a multitude of combination of possibilities of shadows or diffusers or any kind of effect you want to put on the outside tube, any kind of textures, any kind of filters. I want to show you a few things that it can do with it. Of course, it can with the screws outside, with the thumb screws outside, and give me a second here, I'll put some thumb screws. So you can see the inside here. With the four thumb screws on the outside, it allows you to squeeze just about anything inside. I found them on Canal Street at Canal Plastic in New York City, and they're really awesome. It becomes like this very rich tool, and this makes a very cool effect, a bit like a lens. So it gives this little eye effect, you know, when you move around. And I found a bunch of colors at Canal Plastic in New York, so I've been testing those, and it's working really great. Of course, it's very solid, and it's well built. It's top quality material, so this tool can last for years and years. This is another thing I found at Canal Plastic, and this one is hollow, so very cool effects also. Beautiful effect with the highlight at the tip. And good news, and of course I got Jason's blessings.
What's up everybody, Jason Page here, and today I'm going to introduce you to
the good news is a lot of Jason's tools are actually compatible. We can just squeeze those in, and all of a sudden you have this very solid. So Jason came out with colorful fiber optics. He's got 4 new colors, very nice. So also that means that some of Dennis's tools will also work on those. Here's another one from Jason.
The whip.
The whip from, of course, light painting brushes. All of a sudden, this tool can be used for, you know, so many things. But the first intent was to tube for Eric's tribe. And here also you can put all kinds of gizmos. You cut a piece of tube like this, and all of a sudden you can do a lot of DIY and have like all these attachments that can like fit in, you know. So that's basically it. Voila, this is the new thing.
T'amuses?